So, this one I want to thank Kwame, who's not here, played last month. And he has this way of playing where he can sing and then he plays and he sings. And I can't do that. But I thought maybe if I do a rhythmic part on the guitar and I can sing kind of like him. Anyway, I put this together since I saw Kwame last month. I wish he was here. As my thinking clears, as the world's problems become everywhere obvious, still I must remember the light, the warmth pouring down. As my thinking clears, I must remember the light, the warmth pouring down. It must fill my coldness, fill my coldness. The dark reality of truth, I must love the world as it is. It must fill my coldness. The stark reality of truth, I must love the world as it is, as it is, as it may become, as it may become. For clarity will freeze my heart. Clarity will freeze my heart. For clarity will freeze my heart. My heart.
Wow. That was Kwame, yeah.
Thank you very much.